Hello, friends. I'm Sai Haridas. Today, I'm here to present a job opportunity with one of my friend who owns this company. So, Predera is the name of the company. He is hiring few senior Java engineers and data engineers. The experience levels could be anywhere between 3 years to 15 years of experience. If you are interested in working for a company which is based out of Hyderabad, Jubilee Hills, you can send your resumes to careers@predera.com. This is an on-site role. They don't have any remote opportunities. So it's in Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. This is the address. The name of the company is Predera. You can go to predera.com. And the owner of this company is Vamshi Ambati. He has a PhD from Carnegie Mellon, and he has a bachelor's degree from IIT Hyderabad. This is a pretty sharp company, and it's a great video to work for. So if you are interested, don't hesitate to send your resumes to careers@predera.com. They will reach out to you for sure. By the way, if you like this kind of content, like and share and subscribe, and forward this content, these kind of videos to your friends who are in need for opportunities. Times are tough, but there are good opportunities. A lot of good companies hiring a lot of for a lot of good positions. Hopefully, you'll make use of these kind of videos. Thank you, guys.